Hey boos, and welcome back to my channel. Today I did a part 2 of my Bretman Rock collection. This is a wet collection, the blue side of things. If you want to see some swatches, a little review, and how I got this beautiful blue glitter nude lip, gloss lip look,
then keep on watching.
Okay guys, as promised, we are diving into the Bretman Rock part 2 of his collection, the wet collection. We have a beautiful eyeshadow palette with 8 shades in it. Finished? Question mark. I'm chillin'. LOL, I'm crying. Skinny Legend. Mood. Fishy. Thickums. And Eel Beach. And same goes for this collection. He made a wet lip bundle. And in this one you get a ultra satin lip, a ultra gloss lip, and a lippy pencil. Love the packaging of these. They have little water driplets on them. So cute. So let's swatch them. So for the ultra satin lip, we have She Cute, the Ultra Gloss Lip, Kumquat, and the Lippy Pencil BFF3. And of course this collection comes with a blush as well, and it comes with the blush Stop It, but I'm pretty sure I swatched this in my other collection. I don't know how my dumbass did that. So I'm just going to swatch both of them for you. This is the one that comes in the lit collection, and I swatched this one for the lit collection. But this one comes in the wet collection. So I'll swatch them both. I should have looked it up, but I just thought because they both came in this black packaging. Let's get into the swatches. We have, for the wet collection, Stop It. And for the lit collection we have, ooh, she's blushing. And next we have my favorite thing ever, the Glitterly Obsessed glitters. I do really love these glitters. I ended up wearing the red one on New Year's Eve actually, which was really fun. I got so many compliments on it. The one from my first video. The look I did, the only thing I changed was instead of using the Mercy shimmer shade, I put the gold one down underneath of this. And it did crease a little bit, so I'll insert a picture here now. If you're going to wear this out somewhere, make sure you definitely apply the glitter glue or clear lash glue or adhesive of some sort. NYX has a new pigment adhesive you could try. Just make sure you put that on really well, and then apply this on well too in like a thin layer. But regardless, I'm so excited to try this one. It is so gorgeous. Let me open it up. And what is awesome about these glitters too is that it's not just the glitters, they have like little stars in them as well. So let's look at a swatch of this. This is OMG I'm Wet. So now that the swatches are done, let's get into the exciting part, which is trying these products out. I love the lit collection, so I know this isn't going to be any different. I feel like this palette is really going to make me step outside of the box, considering the majority of it is blue. But I'm so dying to try that silver shade in there. What's it called? Thickums. I'm so excited to try Thickums. I'm definitely putting that somewhere on my eye today. Super excited to use this palette, so let's get into it. Okay, so to start this eye look off, I'm going to take the shade I'm Chillin' on my M443 brush and just put that in my crease. This is clean, it's just stained from the red eyeshadow I used on it.
She's pigmented, girl.
Now I'm going to take that same shade and start putting it in my outer corner. Now I'm just going back into the crease and just adding more color, not trying to blend out yet, just putting that color down. So now that we have that in our outer corner in our crease, I'm going to take the shade Skinny Legend on an M441 brush, and now we're going to start blending that out, making the line not harsh at all because nobody wants that. I guess everything dropping is just a reoccurring theme in my videos now. Cool. Okay, now that we have that blended out a good bit, I'm going back into the same shade and just packing back on the color on my outer corner. Now that I went back in and reinforced that blue color, I think I'm going to work on my inner corner now and cut my crease. Blues are not very easy to work with. This is actually my first time ever putting blue on my eyes. I'm not sure or not, but this might be a pressed pigment instead of an eyeshadow. Pressed pigments work way different than eyeshadows do. They blend differently. You have to apply them differently. So for this color, the best method was definitely packing on the color and then blending it out afterwards, so you don't lose a lot of that color and everything is just staying, like, you know, together, not getting really messy. I also think I'm gonna wing this out just a little bit too, because this is definitely a look. Okay, and now that I like the way my eye is looking, I'm gonna go ahead in and cut my crease right here to lay down the shimmer shade. I'm going to be taking my M124 brush, it's a little tapered brush, perfect for cutting the crease. And I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. I showed this trick in my last video too, but if you want a perfect cut crease, like where your cut crease should be, you just put a dot of concealer right here at the bottom of your eyelid. Look up. And see? There's where you should cut your crease. Okay, and now that my crease is cut, let's go into the shade Thickums. Honestly love all of these shimmer shades that come in here, but I feel like this one will really pop and I'm dying to use it. So I'm going to take it on my finger at first because my nails are way too long. I can't get my whole eyelid. But here we go. Now I'm going to take my M224 brush and dip into that Thickum shade. Spritz it with a little bit of my Mario spray and get into those little fine corners and lines and stuff that my finger missed, so I don't mess up my cut crease. Wow, this is absolutely, another thing dropped. So I'm going back in on my M443 brush, same shade, and we don't want that very straightforward line, so I'm going to blend that together now. And there we go. See how it's kind of like a gradient now, like it's not like cut crease. It kind of fades into the blue and the blue kind of fades into the silver. That's what you want. Oh crap, I forgot about the glitters. I love this look so much. So I think I figured out what I'm going to do with the glitter. Or did I? So I figured out what I'm going to do with the glitter. I totally forgot about it because this shimmer shade worked out so well with this look. It's so gorge. So I think I'm just going to stick it in my inner corner. I was gonna cut the line with this, but we'll see how it goes on the inner corner. So again, I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer on an M431 brush, get a little bit of that on there. I'm gonna stick this in my inner corner. And now on that same brush, I'm gonna take a little gloop of the glitter, and I'm gonna put that right where I put the glitter glue, right on my inner corner. I can't tell if I like that or not now. Okay, I'm gonna see what it would look like if I put it in the crease of my cut crease. I'm just not feeling that on the inner corner. This sucks. So I'm going to take this on an M124 brush and just outline where the silver meets the blue. I want this to be... God. Trick! And we want this to be super precise, so I'm going to take my M432 brush. This is the brush I used to carve out my brows with, and get a little bit of this glitter on the end of it. Now let's see how this works. Okay, now that is a look. Should have went that route in the first place. Let me see if I can remove this from my inner corner. Oh, I can. So I'm just gonna take this off my inner corner. Well, that actually came off pretty easily. Oh, thank the makeup gods. So now I'm gonna take that brush that I cut my crease with and just put some concealer back down right here. I want to take a little bit more of that silver shade. And then I just want to take a teeny bit more glitter. And I just want to meet this line. I don't want that huge glob in my inner corner like I had. Okay, that looks so much better. Okay, so one more thing. Take a little bit of my powder and put it on the M431 brush and just set my inner corner again. So I'm really happy with this eye. I think I'm going to take a little bit of the powder on my Morphe sponge and just bake the corner of that so it's a nice sharp line. So I'm going to take another M41 brush and highlight my brow bone and my inner corner real quick with my Ofra Glazed Donut Highlighter in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. So now that I brushed away the bake, this is one eye completely done. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I think I kind of killed it for my first time using blue eyeshadow. I'm not gonna lie. This is a total look. It almost makes me want to add like some snowflakes right there, like how James did. And I know there was some controversy over that look, but I only follow like makeup artists from YouTube, really. So I saw it from James. I mean, he could have, you know, been inspired by that girl or stole her look or whatever. But the hard thing with makeup is that everything's already been done, you know, like with companies, with looks. Like someone could have literally put a video up with the same exact look, using the same exact palette, same exact review, everything. And I would have no idea, and then somebody would come up here and be like,
Amanda, well, you're stealing this girl's look.
And I'm like,
Well, I had no idea about this girl, blah, 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 blah.
I guess that's my opinion on that controversy that was like a month ago. Okay, go in, I guess. Go in, sis. So now that this eye is done, I'm gonna go ahead off camera because we'll be here for like another hour and nobody wants that. And throw on a wing, maybe a wing, my Lily lashes in the style Miami, and finish this other eye. I'll be right back to do the lips and finish off this look.
I actually started out college at West Point, so a military academy, very, very strict and hard to get into. Like it's you know, no bullshit around there.
Love my higher podcast. Shout out Kendall and Josh. Love you guys, especially Kendall. I love her channel. Thank you, babe.
I like them.
Okay guys, now I have both eyes done, looking gorgeous and blue. I love this look. Like, it's seriously so pretty. I can't believe I did that. I really think there is like a YouTube curse or something, because whenever I made my lit, ow, I just scratched myself. Okay, jeez, I'm trying to kill myself. Relatable. Lit video on this collection, I filmed doing my lashes and my eyeliner on camera. Thankfully, I've always been really good with eyeliner, but I had to like clean it up with concealer and fix it, and they weren't even. I did both of these in like one just swoop, and they're great, but I didn't have the camera on. So, conspiracy. Hello, Shane Dawson, please just, you know, I'll have a conversation with you, Shane, about the crazy curse of the beauty community and of makeup, and, you know.
Love Shane Dawson.
Now that I have my eye look complete, it is time to dive in to the wet lip bundle. So I'm going to start off with lining my lips with the lip pencil. Okay, now that I have the lip liner on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on She Cute, the satin lip that comes in the collection. Okay, and that's the lipstick. I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. I don't know how I feel about the dark lip liner with it. I think it's supposed to be like a gradient effect. I think it goes pretty good with this look. A nice little peachy nude with a blue eye. It's cute. And since it's literally 3 in the morning, let's just throw on the gloss for the heck of it. You know, frick it. Okay guys, and that completes this look. Okay guys, and that completes this video. I loved everything from this collection. These collections are honestly amazing. Like, I'm blown away. I've never really been disappointed with Colourpop. I always know they're gonna be good. I always love all of their formulas, and this was no exception. Bretman, you did an amazing job. I'm so happy I got the honor to review it and play with it. I'll definitely be keeping these in my makeup routine. I love literally everything. I mean, I know I said that in my last video. The glitter, great. The lip bundle, great. The eyeshadow, great. And if you wear blush, they're great. Grab them. They're pigmented, they're
Creamy.
I can't say enough great things about this collection. I'm so excited that I have it, and I can use it whenever I want to pull off a stunt like this. God, it's literally 3 a.m. and now I gotta go wash this off and go to bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe, make sure your post notifications are on, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Baby, found my eyebrow pencil I've been looking for.
As you're shoving cookies in your face.
It was under me the whole time.
No, I just put it there somehow.
I've been looking for this for days. Now where's my tweezers? Baby, make him stop snoring. I want to take a little bit more of that. Okay, hair. What the fuck? I'm taking my shart. Oh my god. And Iwa Beach. Did a part 2. This is 3.